All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using credit cards from BlockFi to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP token. It's down a little bit right now, but guess what? There's a lot of tokens that are down a little bit right now. This could be the buying time that people are looking for. So everybody's looking. I'm going to go to the top 10. I'm going to go to a couple of different things. I'm going to show you all these different tokens. Definitely feature an AMP token, talking about it. It's down a little bit. It's still over 5 cents, but it could drop under 5. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Cryptocurrency, a lot of different things going on in movie theaters. People pay in with cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about Flexa in movie theaters and how people are paying with Dogecoin at the movie theaters using Flexa AMP token. All kinds of good stuff. So with that, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at Coin Market, AMP is at 68 right now. Was at 69 and 70. It actually moved up. It's down 15% in the last 7 days, and it's down 5% in the last 24 hours. The coin right now is still over 5 cents. It's actually working out pretty good, because if you take a look at a couple of these, look at all the red here. Remember their little song, Red, 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 Red? I mean, look at all the red here. Harmony's down 17%. Thorn Chain's down 18%. Cardano's down 17%. Neo's down 18%. This is the buying time. Now, Sandbox right here is at 39% up. So the top 10, coming back to AMP in 1 second. You know, Bitcoin's down 11% at 59,000. Ethereum's down 12%. Ethereum's at down 12%, 41.48. Binance is down 8%, 577. Solana's down 9%. Cardano's down 17%. XRP's down 12%. Polkadot's down 21%. 21%, this is a buying time for you. Everybody's always looking for the time to get in. You're looking for the charts to look like this because they're all down 15 to 20%. You just got to pick where you want to go. Shiba Inu's down 12%. I mean, Litecoin's down 11%. Wrap Bitcoin's down 13%. Uniswap's down 18%. Bitcoin Cash is down 14%. You know, everything is down right this second. AMP token's not doing bad. It's still over 5 cents. It's down 5.64% in the last 24 hours. I mean, it's still over 5 cents. I mean, I know there's people probably wishing it would drop to under 4.7, 4.8 for a good loading up time. But literally, when you compare it to the market, what everything else is doing, AMP's not doing too bad. In the last 7 days here on the chart, it is going down slightly down here, still over the 5 cents. So what about the people that don't know what AMP token is? AMP is described as a new digital collateral token offering instant variable assurance for any kind of value transfer using AMP. Networks like Flexa can quickly secure transactions for widely variety assets and use it for cases. Let's head over to Flexa's Twitter real quick. Now take a look at this right here. This was on the 11th. It says, just spent 52 Dogecoins on a pair of movie tickets at Regal Movies. Spending crypto has never been so easy thanks to Flexa. So Flexa is one who created AMP token. Again, created AMP token, and now people are using Flexa to actually pay with cryptocurrency. Flexa and AMP, I mean, this is fantastic news, everybody. So for everybody that doesn't know what AMP is a cryptocurrency collateral token, and it's good for the brick and mortars that actually want to accept cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, there's, you know, Flexa, you just saw on the movies, they're using Flexa because Flexa is a platform that you can use for cryptocurrency, which is fantastic. But the brick and mortar owners, they don't want to accept the cryptocurrency for a couple reasons. One, the time it takes for the transaction to confirm. Now, just because you send money to your friend, I mean, that's neat, and it shows up in their wallet, you know, like literally in 3 to 4 seconds, but it doesn't necessarily get confirmed to maybe 30 minutes, 2 hours, could be 24 hours. The problem with that is the merchant doesn't want to let you get out of the store because you have his goods and services, and he's worried about the double spend. Well, the double spend is one of the disadvantages because, again, if it takes 30 minutes and there's 5 people in line, you'd be waiting in line for 2.5 hours for everybody's transaction to confirm. Not really practical for your time. Hey, honey, it's 5 o'clock. I'll be home at 7:30. I got the milk and cheese. I mean, I know I'm going to miss dinner, but there's 5 people ahead of me. I mean, not going to happen. Next thing is the gas fees. Well, you spend $30 in merchandise and you spend $15 in gas fees. That's not a good thing. Flexa and AMP makes it possible that Flexa actually can make this all happen. AMP is collateralized, so now the brick and mortars can use AMP token and Flexa, and it only costs 1% to actually use the cryptocurrency with AMP and Flexa. Well, usually the accepted credit cards, it costs 3%. So they're saving about 65% on their transaction fees, which is fantastic. Well, now, if the person does do that double spend, what happens is AMP steps in, and let's say the purchase was $35. The person's out of the store, they got their goods and services, the merchant's running their business, boom, the $35 is not there. AMP steps in, pays the merchant the $35, everything's good to go there. Well, how do they get the money to do the collaterals? Well, it's the people that are staking the coin. If you're staking the AMP token, that money that you're staking, it's being used to basically collateralize. So AMP is a very awesome system because it's going to change the way we actually use cryptocurrency on this planet. You just saw at the movie theater. So it says, how does AMP work? AMP claims to offer straightforward interface with variable collaterals through a system of collateral partitions, collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designed to collateralize any account, application, or even transactions that carry balances, redirect a variable on the Ethereum blockchain. Let's go ahead. So again, AMP token right here is 68 on coin market. It's down 15%. This could be the chance that you're waiting for if you're looking to load up. A lot of times people are looking for dips like this. I mean, when it's red. I mean, when it's all red like this is buying times. This is when you can now, the sandbox is up 34% in the last 7 days, and it's up 26%. You don't have the same option as getting it at a discount like with all these other cryptocurrencies. Heading over to this article, Bitcoin Ethereum loses ground as Twitter CFO rolls out crypto investments. The dollar index hits a 16-month high. So a couple things in this article. It says Bitcoin, Ethereum, other major coins face selling pressures and anti-crypto comments from Twitter's chief financial officer on the market mood. Continual strength in the dollar index likely added to the bearish force. A couple things here that's interesting. Why there was never any expectation of Twitter announcing crypto investments, comments, traders, but the risk of the dollar controversy crypto tax reporting required the introduction by the $1 trillion bipartisan infraction bill signed into law by President Joe Biden on Monday, with information on trading transactions amount of over 10,000. Why the crypto industry is worried about the definition of the word broker, many open-ended bringing miners, so if you're a miner, this could actually attain to you. It's open-ended. Miners and other node operators could fall under the tax hammer and create tax reporting challenges for investors. Few companies include Square, Tesla, and MicroStrategy have acquired Bitcoin as a reserve asset. So on Monday, analysts told CoinMarket that the Bitcoin relatively high price. So anyways, everybody, so if there's a new tax law here for people with cryptocurrency, so you definitely want to pay attention to that. Something that's definitely in the news, the $1 trillion infractional bill passed into law by Joe Biden. It introduced a $1 trillion bipartisan bill signed into law by U.S. President Joe Biden on Monday. So we may be paying more taxes on a cryptocurrency, or at least them knowing about what we're doing with the cryptocurrency. Give me your thoughts and opinions in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Heading over to AMP Token's website right here. Let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like Doge with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. There's 3 things you can do with the AMP. You can stake the AMP, you can send the AMP, and then you can repeat. Right now, the price is at a nice price, a little over 5 cents. Why AMP? AMP has helped you decentralize the risk for users with smart contract features purposely built in for collateral. Nothing more, nothing less. If you want to explore more, you can go to the AMP white pages, dive further into technical information on the AMP smart contracts, all kinds of good information. It says right here, meet our friends that we work with. These are some of the companies that are staking payments on Flexa to provide stability through liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to use and earn AMP token. They're working with Bittrex, Flexa, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Moonswap, Rainbow, CoinGecko, just to name a few. So these are all the friends of AMP token. And last but not least is the AMP token price prediction. Well, I still think that AMP's going to get to that 12 cents at the record high that it was in June. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. I know it slid up to 6 cents, and I slid up to 7 cents, and now it's back down to 5.1 cents. But let's see what some of these people, where AMP token was going to go. So right here, Wallet Investor, it says that AMP's price prediction for a long term, I like this one because it's long term, the price prediction for 2026, so this is 5 years out. They're thinking that AMP's going to get to almost 50 cents, 0.48. It's a 5-year investment, and the revenue in AMP would be around a 510% increase on your investment over 5 years. So Wallet Investors is saying that. You know, CoinSkid said right here that by December 21, the AMP price should be around 10 cents. I mean, we're about a month off of that, a couple weeks, with the maximum price of 12 cents. So they may have missed it by a little bit. So they're maybe not going to be quite where they want to be here. I like the 5-year one a little bit better. You know, Pick a Crypto, they were talking about that overall direction of the currency market. The AMP has a long-term earning potential and a good chance of visiting 30 cents and a dollar. As long as the trend continues. So I don't know when they were talking about the 30 cents to a dollar. I don't think it's going to happen in the next month. But that would be nice in the future for sure. Pick a Crypto. So again, AMP token is a little over 5 cents right now. Everything on the board is red, 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 red. This is a great time if you're buying cryptocurrency. I mean, if you're buying, you want to buy when it's a discount. You want to buy when there's all these things that are red, between 16 and 22% or whatever. AMP's not doing that bad at 15%. It's right there at 5 cents, 0.1. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. This would be a good time. You know, do you want to buy cryptocurrency when it's up 34%? Or would you rather buy cryptocurrency when it's down 15 to 25%? Give me your thoughts on that. Right now, there's a lot of things that are down. Now, again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Do your homework. Reach out to a financial investor, all that good stuff. But again, when everything's down, may not be a bad idea. I always talk about putting things on your radar. You know, you should have 5 or 10 different cryptocurrencies on your radar that you're not even actually buying, but you're watching it for a month or 2 or 3 and watching the patterns and stuff, all kinds of good things. We want to make sure you share this with all your friends, helping all your friends get good with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we bring you a video around 3 or 4 o'clock. And once in a while, we bring you a bonus video around 7 o'clock Monday through Fridays. Hey, everybody have a fantastic today on Wednesday.